Hey friends, if you encounter AMD error 1603 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now this issue is with missing files and obviously SFC scan is the final answer, but it can also be due to other reasons. First of all, a pending security update, and the second one is interference by antivirus. So the file may exist in the system, but the antivirus may be preventing it from working correctly. So we will proceed with it procedurally. Okay, so first of all, update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to disable antivirus. And how would we do that? So, to disable antivirus, we will search for Windows Security and then we'll go to Windows Security. Okay, and then go to Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Manage Settings corresponding to Virus and Threat Protection settings and uncheck this box here. So this is how you can disable it, but this should be temporary. Once your job is done, if it works, then enable it once again. Otherwise, your system will be vulnerable. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.